So the final instalment of the homemade strip sander, or aka belt sander. Just got the little melamine top on. It's just pretty much sitting on there, but it snaps into place. But that's pretty much it. Not bad for a homemade contraption. Do a little bit of a walk around. You can see there's the motor mounts. You can see the belt's seen a lot better days. It's still okay. It's got some grit on it, but it's been taken on and off so many times. So